Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Python 3.10 properly. So at the time of making this video the Python 3.10 is still in the beta version. So first I'm going to open my Microsoft Store, search 3.10, okay? And now click install. So I'm going to fast forward this process. So guys, I got my Python 3.10 installed, so I'm going to launch it. I'm gonna just type IDLE, and there it is. IDLE is open. Now I'm going to configure this IDLE because just don't like this font. So I'm going to go to options, configure IDLE, and search for Comic Sans. Size. Apply and hit OK. That's it guys, we have successfully installed Python 3.10.